Hello guys, back with me again in the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and open your draft on Picsart. So the first thing that you need to do, open your Picsart app on your phone and wait for it to launch. So here, for example, in case that you want to edit the draft that you want, that you've already edit before and you want to continue the editing process, just click on the plus icon to find the draft, and then here at the top you'll find your draft here with the P icon at the photo. This is your draft, so click on that, and then here is your draft, and you can continue the editing process. And if you're done, just click on the save icon at the top. So it's so easy to find the draft. Just click on this and then you can continue the editing process. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.